This is Jill Vassallo from Technique Peak, and today I'm going to be showing you a dorsal and plantar glide of the cuboid bone. So what you're going to do is you're going to follow the fifth metatarsal, find that bony prominence there. You want to go right underneath it, kind of hook onto it with your pointer finger there, and it takes up about 2/3 of the bottom of the foot, so you kind of want to get a good grasp of it there. To do a dorsal glide, you want to bring the foot into a little bit of pronation and provide your glide at an angle. So bring that foot into some pronation and then take up the slack a little bit and provide your mobilization. For a plantar glide, you want to bring the foot into a little bit of supination and inversion. And then same thing, you want to hook onto the cuboid here and then provide your plantar glide there. And that's it.